Hey, what's up guys? It's Mike Elike here and welcome to my YouTube channel, Smart Tips. In today's video guys, I'm going to be telling you how you can connect this K9 double wireless mic to your smartphone. Yes, I know that there are most people having issues connecting this K9 mic to their phone, either an iPhone or a Type-C or an Android phone. They do complain about not able to connect it to their phone and make use of it. So in this video guys, I'm going to be telling you the steps to take in order to connect this K9 mic to your smartphone. So if you've been having issues after buying this mic that you're looking for, how to connect it so I can start using it to probably create videos or probably record voice notes, then you are watching the right video, because I'm going to be showing those steps to take to solve the K9 wireless mic not working. But before I proceed, guys, if you love this information about to hear, can you give me a thumbs up? And if you're new on my channel, you're welcome. Kindly subscribe button below and the bell notification icon so that whenever I create more videos like this, you'll be first to get notified. Okay, guys, let's start with unboxing. What is in the box of this K9 wireless mic. Okay, so as you can see, I got the K9 double wireless mic. Yes, I got the K9 double wireless mic. Probably you got the K9 single mic. It's all gonna fine. This video will still work for you. So just watch to the very end. Even if you have a K8 or any wireless mic you have, just watch this video to the end because it's going to solve the problem of not connecting. Okay, as you can see here, this is the double mic. Then also this is the port. Okay, this is the port, and here we have where the kept the cord so you can charge it. Okay, let me first of all bring out the mic, one of the mic, so you can see. Okay, so this is the very first mic. As you can see in my video, I'm actually not using any mic, and I'm going to be testing it also so you can hear the difference, the sound difference of both when I'm using my voice and when I'm using the mic. Okay, so let me quickly bring out this charger. Okay, so this is where they kept the charger over here. So as you can see, this is the cord. Then now to charge it, you just have to plug it over here like this. Can you see how it's plugged? Then once you plug it to light, this cable to light is going to be showing red. It's going to be showing red over here to show that it is charging already. Okay, and this is how you charge it. Then now we have the manual. Okay, I removed this, so this is what we have here. We have the manual. This kind of explains how to connect it. However, since you don't know how to connect it, then this video will be your manual. Like I said, the video is going to be your manual because I'm going to show you the steps you need to take. All right, so now what you have remaining is the mic and the port. I'm holding one mic here and the two port. Okay, so now I'm going to be connecting the mic. Yes, I'm going to be connecting it so you can see. All right, I'm just going to be connecting it, so just listen to the sound of my voice, and we're just connected to my phone right now while making a video. All right, so as you can see right now, the mic is connected because it's showing plain green over here. It's showing plain green, which means it is connected. And by now, I guess there should be a difference in my voice. I don't know, because I'm shooting this video and I can't hear myself until I'm done shooting the video, and I watch over again to see if there's any difference. So this green showing here, it means it is connected. However, if it was not connected, you'll be seeing you'll be seeing a red and green blinking light to show it is not connected. So whenever you're shooting videos, once you see that it is not showing a steady green light, then it is not connected. So you don't need to keep on talking on your video. Just quickly see how you can connect it immediately. And now let's say, for example, your microphone is kind of low, just like this microphone right now, it is low. You're going to be seeing that once I turn it on, just for example, it is meant to be blinking. Okay, the microphone is meant to be blinking because it is low. So once it's blinking, just know that you have to charge it. Okay, you just have to charge it. So now both of them are turned on and both of them are connected, as you can see over here. I'm going to turn this one off because I am just using just one. I got it in case I want to go for interviews. I give someone one and I'm with one. I don't need to start sharing the mic like that. Okay, so now as you can see, this is the very first method to connect the mic. The first thing you should do is to put in your port first. Put in the port first. Do not turn on the mic first. No. The very first thing, if you want to connect your K9 wireless mic or any wireless mic, is to put in the port first to your phone before turning on the mic. And before you even turn on the mic, ensure that this microphone is charged to full. Ensure it is charged to the full so that it can take you hours when shooting or when you're making a video that involves using the mic. Okay, so like I said, the very first step to connecting this mic to your phone is to put in the port first. Then once you put in the port, you're going to be seeing a red blinking light on the port. I would have shown you now, but I'm using my phone to shoot. That's why I can't show you the red blinking light. So once it's blinking, you know that it is on, but it's not connected to anything. Then once you turn on your mic, it's going to show this plain green light. Then when you check the port, which I'm pointing at right now, it's going to show a red steady light, which means they are both connected and you can use it to make your videos. Okay, but if this method does not work for you, just don't worry. I'm going to be telling you a second way which you can use, and it's going to definitely work for you. You know, I've done it before, because when I first of all got my mic, I tried connecting it normally with my phone and it did not work. I was kind of frustrated at first that I got this mic quite expensive and it's not even working for me. I kept on searching and browsing on how to make this my K9 wireless mic connect to my phone until I found out this method I'm going to be telling you. All right, guys, the second method which you can use to connect this microphone to your phone and start using to shoot videos is to download the Open Camera. This app you are seeing over here, yes, this is the app Open Camera. Go to your Play Store and search Open Camera. As you can see it over here, then you open the app. Okay, so once you're in the app, all you need to do is to click setting here, click on the setting above. Then now, sorry, let me click on settings. Okay, yes, right over there. Then go to here, video settings. Then scroll down. As you can see, you see audio source, microphone to use for recording audio. Note that the exact behavior of the options depend on how the option is implemented on your device. External mic if present. As you can see, once you click on that audio source, it has different, you know, menus to choose from. There's camcorder, external mic if present, default audio source, optimized voice for calls, optimized voice recognition, unprocessed. Now, most times the option might be in, let's say, default audio source. However, since we are using an external mic, since it's an external mic, you need to put it to this external mic if present, because currently I have an external mic I am using to make this video. And once you click on it, then I'll go back to the video over here, then you can start using to shoot your videos, and this second method is going to work for you definitely. All right, so guys, I've already shown you the two different methods you can use to connect this K9 double wireless mic, or K8 wireless mic, or any wireless lavalier microphone to your smartphone and start using it to shoot. Try out this method, and trust me, if the first one does not work, which is just the normal procedure of just connecting your microphone to your phone, if it does not work for you, then this second method by using the Open Camera is definitely going to work. And if this does work for you, kindly let me know in the comment section. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and just share it to other people who are in search of this information, other people who want to learn how to connect this K9 wireless mic or any other wireless mic to their smartphone. And guys, when I started this video, I started with just my normal voice, and then I connected my phone to this microphone. So let me know what you think about the voice variation, the difference in the voice. How was my voice when I was using just my phone's mic, and when I connected this K9 wireless mic? Let me know. I want you to tell me your difference, the different experience, and how the mic is in comparison to my phone's mic. So guys, I'm going to be seeing you in my next video as I discover, as we explain, as we explore more ways you can connect this K9 wireless mic to your smartphone or any other wireless mic to your smartphone. And do not forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I create or I find out more ways to do this. See you guys.